Welcome to Indepth Earth Geospatial Services. We are redefining the landscape of geospatial intelligence and drone technology in Nigeria. Our mission is simple: to empower industries, governments, and organizations with data-driven insights that shape smarter and more sustainable decisions. At Indepth Earth, we specialize in a wide range of cutting-edge solutions, from advanced drone operations, geospatial mapping, robotics and autonomous vehicle systems, pipeline surveillance, and professional trainings for the next generation of geospatial experts. We don't just provide services, we build intelligence from the ground up. With over 500 completed projects across Nigeria and a team of professionals supported by global collaborations, our work continues to set the benchmark for accuracy, safety, technological excellence, and reliable decision-making. You can find us at our head office at number 3 Dawari Street, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, or you can visit our website on www.indepthearth.com. You can follow us across all our social media platforms to learn more about our services and ongoing projects.